In this video, we will talk about how to fix wireless network adapter missing Windows 11. Method 1. Enable hidden driver. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Click on View and select Show Hidden Devices. Expand Network Adapters. If your Wi-Fi adapter appears grayed out, right-click and select Enable Device. Method 2. Run the Network Troubleshooter. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left, select System. Scroll down, click on Troubleshoot. Then Other Troubleshooters. In Network and Internet, click on Run and follow the on-screen instructions. Method 3. Reinstall Wi-Fi drivers. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters. Right-click on Wi-Fi network driver. Select Uninstall Device and uninstall it. Now, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. Method 4. Enable network adapter. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type ncpa.cpl and press Enter. If you see the Wi-Fi adapter disabled, right-click and select Enable. So that's how you can fix wireless network adapter missing Windows 11. See you in the next video.